Liberty and Eustace enter the old school building. It is abandoned. The door creaks.
Wow, look at this old place. It brings back so many memories.
I know. I sent it. I sent it wonderful. I wish we could save it. Ah, maybe we could go inside and take a look one more time.
I don't know. It might be dangerous, and you know I hate mice.
The chance of mice in there is so low. Plus, there are loads of sticks to fight with.
Ugh, you're so boisterous. You know I hate rodents, but I don't want to go in.
Oh, whatever. Come on, let's go in and have some fun.
Fine, but I guarantee that we won't be coming out alive.
The two characters walk into the huge abandoned building, and they're surprised with what they hear.
Oh, did you hear that?
No, I didn't. Trust me, it's nothing. You're just being a scaredy cat, honestly. I think it was just a bird.
No, it was more like a neigh.
You horses, Lib, you need to stop.
No, I'm serious. It feels like it needs help. We have to go.
Fine. It's the only way you will ever go further in.
Right, I will prove this to you, and now I declare a competition. By the end of this day, you will know who the real scaredy cat is.
You think that you could beat me?
Whatever, let's go and find that horse.
Liberty boldly marches off. Eustace takes little baby steps, following her crossly. After 5 minutes of marching through the giant rooms, they see a beautiful black stallion roughly abused.
Look, he's beautiful. Oh, wow, I would love to ride him.
Look, all right, you've seen your wonder horse. Now let's get out of this place.
I thought you were enjoying this and that you would want to win the competition, don't you?
Yeah, whatever. This place is seriously creepy. I honestly want to get out of here.
Okay, fine, let's go. But maybe we could take him?
Who?
The horse. Oh, come on. I know you can't resist.
I honestly don't care who comes. Let's just go.
What a scaredy cat.
Liberty and Eustace walk out the room with the horse, Eustace looking cautiously around. Suddenly they hear a noise, a long creak.
What was that?
I'm not sure, but I know it isn't going to come to any good. Come on, we have to go faster. Get out.
I agree. Let's go.
A big black figure emerges.
What is that thing?
Run!
Wait, please, I don't want to harm you, but I came to say that the horse is mine.
Come with us. We have a barn for your horse and a nice spare room for you to sleep in. We would love you. And what is the horse's name?
Oh, he's called Raven. And yes, I would love to live with you. It would be like having a half sister.
I wouldn't mind having another half sister, but hopefully you're a little less annoying.
The three walk out of the school together. To be continued.
Dun, dun, dun.
Well done, Rosie.